Yeah, guys, unfortunately we died. But we are back. I mean, that did cost one of these. We can still keep our progress. Nice and safe. One day, I will turn into a team, and then we can just get revenge on that stupid Ralokai. Alright. We're back, baby. So unfortunately, I think the Ralokai stole the egg. So yeah, that just sucks. A lot. Why are you so angry? This is gonna... Oh, he's angry. Is he gonna nip at me? Oh, it's a stupid Ralokai again. What does this man want from us? It's laggy. Yeah, just bring him a peace offering because he's annoying. I do. Oh dear! Wait, I grew. I'm a teenager now. Look at me. Look at those horns, man. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can record a part 2. Like, this is just gonna take place right after this. So let's eat some carcass to get that yummy saturation. Yeah. Where did our rubber go? Oh, he's over there. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep watch of the nest. Oh, good night. Good night. Hey, go to sleep. This is just extremely fun because there's gonna be so many adventures. Wait, he's gonna... Aww. He's just gonna warm them up. Oh, look at him. My little brother just sleeping. And it's that Let's just bring food back to the nest. Can I come back? Can I come to family pack to you? What the heck? So it's been 5 minutes so far, so I'm gonna report a part 2 right after this, or else it will not be posted. So see ya.